I've got a broken phone. Let's see if we can get it repaired.
What's the problem with my phone?
Kamusta? I have a broken phone. Help me. Yeah, I have a big problem.
Damage.
It's broken.
Broken?
Yeah.
I change back case.
Yes. Yeah. We've just changed. We've just changed to the competition.
iPhone 1 Pro Max.
I'll check.
Okay.
Anong pangalan?
Michael.
Michael.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
Yeah.
Why did it take you so long to think of your name?
Wala,
He's like, my name's Michael. iPhone 12.
iPhone 12 Pro Max.
iPhone 12. Yeah.
Change your back case. 1.5.
What's that?
1.5.
1,500.
Yes. Free labor.
Give me the local price.
1.3.
1,300 final price.
I'm final.
Okay, deal.
Then.
Deal.
Okay.
How long is it gonna take, Michael? Can you do it in like 10 seconds?
I know. 1 hour.
Sorry?
1 hour.
1 hour?
Yes.
Okay, we'll have to
I'm
come back.
waiting.
Are you speaking Tagalog?
Yes. Anong pangalan mo?
Anong pangalan mo? Lance.
Kamusta ka?
Mabuti. So, nakakaintindi ka ng Tagalog?
Yes.
Okay. You speak Tagalog, not English. Okay.
How many iPhones do you fix in one day?
Tagalog. No, speaking English.
He wants to speak Tagalog. We're asking how many phones he fixes in one day.
Maybe five phones.
Five phones in one day. Wow. Okay. Wow.
Okay.
Very talented. Are you fixing your phone also?
No. I'm the owner. One of the owner.
Oh, you're the owner. Oh wow.
He's the owner.
Oh, you're just checking up on the employees. Okay, nice.
Yeah. I'm good.
He's like a surgeon.
Plus protection by ice.
Oh, okay, be careful. So basically, he's like using this. I think it's like a heat to melt or to make the back of the screen easier to for him to scrape off. He's going to scrape off the whole back screen, and then they're going to replace it with the original. So it's actually going to look like a completely new iPhone. Although there's no insurance here, so if they break it, then there's going to be a big problem. But however, he's doing a very, very good job.
Wala lahat.
Original only. Original.
So it costs more. So it's going to cost more.
Yeah.
How much?
2.5.
2,500.
That is original.
That's the only option.
Yeah, no other option. Original only.
Okay. Yeah.
Just put, supposed to be that is 3,500, but since you are a blogger, we give you a discount.
Oh, the
special
blogger discount.
Yeah.
Well, I've never had that blogger discount. Thank you so much.
Supposed to be that-
Here we go, guys. Pretty much finished. There's sellotape on. We can't take that off for 5 hours. Yeah, really, really good job. Look at that. Completely new.
Yay!
So 2,500 and then 2,500 for him.
Yeah.
Okay, 5,000 for you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy Philippines.
5,000. Thank you.
Thank you.